Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Govee Floor Lamp with the Govee Home app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have already assembled or built their Govee Floor Lamp. And so there's three things you need to do first. The first thing is that you're going to go into the App Store or the Google Play Store and search and install the Govee Home app, which looks like this, and go ahead and register for an account. In addition, you want to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on and that your Wi-Fi is turned on and connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Afterwards, we're going to go ahead and plug in our Govee Floor Lamp. So once you plug in your Govee Floor Lamp, it should automatically turn on. So right now, I'm plugging in my floor lamp and it's now blinking colors. It doesn't matter which floor lamp you have, it should automatically turn on. Now go ahead and open up the Govee Home app, and your homepage is going to look different from mine depending if you've connected other Govee Home products before. But click on the plus icon in the upper right hand corner and you should find your floor lamp instantly. And so with it, we're going to click on add and it's going to start connecting via Bluetooth. Then you're going to name the device. So because this is a floor lamp, we're going to name it a floor lamp 3 since we have 3 floor lamps in our living room. We're going to click on done. Now we're going to connect the remote control. So at this point, you just need to press any button on the remote. So we're just going to go ahead and click on any button and now it's been paired successfully. Additionally, you want to make sure that the Wi-Fi is connected, so click on done, and then you're going to see a notification that the Wi-Fi connection has been successful. So after that, it's going to take you to the customization page, at which point you've successfully connected your Govee Floor Lamp to the Govee Home app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain how to connect your Govee Floor Lamp to the Govee Home app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.